Once again on the side of the road. Went to go pick up some stuff that I did on a trade for a rototiller, and got a flat tire. I got two brand new tires probably sitting on my porch right now, which we wanted to have on it before we left, but that didn't work out. So they didn't come in time. So I guess the old Sears and the snowblower are going to get a free ride to Brethren. Getting her all loaded up there. Recent projects we're working on. Here we have a 1967 Sears Suburban up on blocks as we are in the process of restoring this bad boy. We already painted the hood. I know it's a little rough there in the front, but we straightened it out quite a bit from where it was, and added a nice little old, I would say that's probably around a 70s Ford Thunderbird hood ornament. I thought that goes perfect with this tractor, being that it's white and blue. Next step is going to be painting all the blue on here, and I've already painted the wheels. I've got them done here. Had to cover them up because the wind was blowing something fierce this morning, and I didn't want it to ruin my paint job. Still a little bit tacky. Wow. So those wheels are going to go back on here, but first we got to paint the blue. And today I started taping off this Bollins with the 16 horse Duramax engine. Put one coat of paint on the hood so far. Of course, I'll still need to do the seat pan, and then of course all the brown. And I'm going to redo the plow in the I think it's Massey Ferguson red. Also the wheels, I'm going to redo them. They actually look pretty good still, but I'm going to paint them anyway. So trying to get everything ready for the Buckley annual steam show and tractor show up in Buckley, Michigan. Everybody should attend that. It's a really neat thing that they got going on. And by the way, this Bollins here is a 1970. We used to think it was a 68, but we did some more research and found out it's actually a 70. And over here we have another 70, but this is a Gravely 424. I've already painted the hood on that one. Debating on whether I'm going to put one more coat on it or not. It does look pretty good the way it is. And got to paint the seat pan on this. And all the, you know, it's hard to say whether this is red or orange. Everybody you ask, you get a different answer. So I'm thinking Husqvarna orange or Massey Ferguson red. Maybe you guys can help me decide what color it should go. And I'm going to order all the new decals for all the tractors. Of course, that's going to take time and money. Takes a lot of time for me to get the money. And then over here we have a 1967 Bollins 1050. And this one actually runs still. Actually, this Bollins runs, that Gravely runs, that Bollins runs, the Sears runs. The only one that we don't have running at the moment is this Bollins, who I'm thinking is going to get taken to a professional to do the wiring, because we just can't seem to get it figured out on here. We bought that tractor without a motor. Bought a Wisconsin 10D engine. I doubt it was in a Bollins before, because of the way that the voltage regulator and the coil and everything were mounted on it. It would have never taken a Bollins hood. Although I have seen some Bollins with a hood scoop, but this particular one did not have it. So But that one is very nice condition. I know it looks rusty, but when I say nice condition, I mean as far as wear and the gears and stuff like